In today's video, I'll teach you how to create BiliBili account. First of all, launch open BiliBili application. You can see over here, BiliBili application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to create the account for yourself, tap on the Me icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the login interface of BiliBili. From here, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. First of all, check on this box that you can see on the screen. You're basically agreeing to the terms of service and privacy policy. Now you'll be able to find the login methods like Google, Facebook, Twitter, email or phone. Tap on the login method of your choice. Here I've selected the option for email. Now what you have to do is provide the email address over here. Make sure to provide the correct email address. After you do that, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. You can see over here a verification code will be sent to your email. What you have to do is open your Gmail application. You'll receive the email from BiliBili. All you have to do is open that email and find the verification code over there. After you find it, enter the verification code over here and tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now after you enter the verification code, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here what you have to do is enter your birthday, gender and hometown. Tap on the field of birthday. Now what you have to do is select the birthday like this. You can select the month, day and year. After you do that, what you have to do is simply tap on the save option that you can see on the screen. Now also select your gender, tap on the gender of your choice. Likewise, you'll also have to select the hometown. Tap on the field of select. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to select the reason. What you have to do is simply tap on the option of your choice. Once you do that, tap on the done option that you can see on the screen. Now tap on the done option that you can see at the bottom of this interface. Now you can see over here your account has been created. So that is how you create BiliBili account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.